Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Fishdom. To add friends in Fishdom so that you can enjoy the game together and share the fun, here's how you do it. First of all, open up the Fishdom app on your device, and once you're in the home screen, go ahead and look for the social icon, which is located at the bottom left right next to the aquarium icon. Once you tap on that, select Friends from the left menu and then click on Invite on the next page. Now you can go ahead and invite your friends via Messenger or selecting and copying your invite link and sharing it to your friends directly through social media apps or directly using your SMS app on your mobile device. Go ahead and select any one option from the bottom menu, and you will then be able to see an invite link generated. Tap on copy and then go ahead and select a friend you want to invite to the game. Right after you choose a contact, you will then be able to see your invitation link generated. Tap on send or send the message to the contact. And once they join into the game and reach to a certain level, you will then be able to add them as your friend on Fishdom. You can now visit their aquarium and share the experience. And that's it. You've successfully added friends in Fishdom in just a couple of steps. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, like, share and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell for more tips and guides. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.